How do I get started in fashion design with your program? I get that question all the time, so here is the answer. If you decide to join me in Fashion Premier Academy, you're stepping into a very different learning experience. And honestly, that works to your advantage. So here's where I recommend you begin. Start with the free mini course. It's only about 10 minutes long, but it gives you an overview of the fashion design courses available on my website. Once you complete it, you will have 2 paths you can take. And the best part is they actually work really well together. Let me explain. Path number 1, you can go deeper into individual skills through specific classes, starting with the sketching, and then you take your draping class if you have a dress form, and fabrics, and then pattern making 1 and 2 and 3 and so on. One more course, create a collection and launch your own brand. It gives you the entire process from A to Z, how the industry works, how to start a brand and bring it to reality. But now there is a second option, a second path. Path number 2, become a fashion designer. You'll see a video about this later on. This is a completely new learning experience I created based on my years as a fashion educator, creative director, and mentor, combined with advanced intelligent technology that helps you personalize the experience to you. In other words, instead of trying to figure out everything on your own, the platform guides you step by step based on your goals, on your level, on your progress. Every day, you receive focused activities, creative direction, projects, and feedback designed to keep you moving towards your vision, towards your goal. And yes, many students choose both paths. They take individual courses while also following the daily guided experience inside the app. Right now, to celebrate the launch, I'm offering founding member access at just $69. For a limited time only. After that, the price goes up. And yes, many students choose both paths. They take individual courses while also following the daily guided experience inside the app. They complement each other beautifully. So this is how to begin, okay?